Okay, got red and yellow jumped out, and short pro tool. I got a short. So we got a short on the yellow wire or the contactor. Alright guys, this is a no cooling call I was working on. The people were home, so I couldn't talk much inside, but as you saw, we have a short here on our yellow wire, which is going out to our condenser. I tried the thermostat with the fan just on, didn't get my light, and when I pulled the face off and jumped out the thermostat and called for AC from the R and the Y, you saw I got the light on my Short Pro tool. So I come out here to check the wiring, and the yellow wire right here, I don't know if that's showing up on camera real good, but see that little spot on the yellow wire there? It was up against the metal of the unit here. So I'm gonna pull these wire nuts off, and then we'll splice it back there and then reconnect it and go inside and see if our short's gone, which pretty positive that's it. I can see bare wire there. Looks like it vibrated on the edge here. Okay, so I cut back some wire, re-spliced it, put new wire nuts on, and I wrapped them in electrical tape, and I even went down a little further and I put a piece around this edge here, so in case it would rub. 2 lines of defense there. Got tape on that and the wires, because this unit does have a vibration. I'm going to be changing it out soon anyway. Shakes the line set, and then you can hear the air handler vibrate as well. But everything's still working good on it, still cooling, so I'm trying to get by with what I can with it here so I can get time to put one in, but I'm just going to end up swapping the whole condenser out. Another 2-ton. So alright, let me button this back up here, and we'll go inside and jump out the thermostat real quick just to see if our light on our Short Pro tool goes out. Alright, yeah. Thermostat's jumped out. Short Pro's hooked up. Let's see if that fixed it. Here, refrigerant moving. No light so far, that's good. Yep, looks like we're good. Not gonna have a fan because I only have one jumper on there from red to yellow. Alright, button this up. On this one here, we got the trim on the island here is coming off. See, it's pulling away. So we're just gonna run a few brad nails in the trim there. Alright, got the hose hooked up to the gun, and got 3/4 inch brad nails in here, 18 gauge. And we're just gonna run them into the trim here, keep it from pulling away. On there, good. Let's check the other side out while we're here. Yeah, I'll run one in the side here. Oh, looks like somebody had fun with this before. Alright, on to the next one. All right, on this work order here, we got two things going on. We got a tub drain that's slow, and we got a tub spout diverter that sprays out the side. So we'll get the tub drain cleaned out first, and then we'll swap out the diverter. Just push your drain down, back out your cap, and then whatever type of fitting you have here, fit a flathead in this one, back it out, and that's how this stopper comes out. See, we got some hair built up there. Let's see what we pull out. Usually I use my needle nose to clean this out, but I don't have those with me. Just had this thing. Not a big fan of it, but it works. Just a little messy. All right, looks pretty clean. Looks like got a helper here today. All right, let's test it out. All right, drain looks good. Now we'll go ahead and replace the diverter. Screw came all the way out. Okay, there's our old one. Just gonna put a bead of caulking around it and we'll be good to go. All right, we got a nice bead of caulking all the way around our spout. This one's good to go. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.